All right, our next build is the Blue Eyes White Dragon Figure Rise Standard. Sorry, Figure Rise Standard Amplified. What in God's green earth is this? Why is it gooey? Ugh! It's like slimy. What is this? I must know. Is this for the wings or something? Like a bad dragon lube in here. Okay, it's... Oh no, it's like... Oh, gross! Ew! It's wet! Why is it wet? I'm not worrying about it right now. Yeah, it's got like... You know when you buy like electronics and it's got like a plastic sheath on it? It's kind of like that. We're gonna just put that over in the corner because it's gross. Oh no, it's got a wire. Uh-oh, we're in trouble. We're in trouble. Well, those are all of our pieces. We're building a Blue Eyes. Oh my god, chat room, he looks fucking terrifying. This is scary. Blah. Blah. Wait, Blue Eye's kinda cool. Wait, Blue Eye's kinda really cool. Sensual, it's almost like the ASMR tags. Sensual, good partner, good listener, supportive Blue Eyes. Femboy Blue Eyes, ASMR sounds. Gone sexual. This kit's got some oomph to it, chat room. I was not prepared. Oh my god, what the? This is actually cool. It was tedious, but it's really, really fucking cool. Whoa! It's Blue Eyes! Look at him! It's Blue Eyes! I love how he's got his tongue out. Look at that tail, chat room. And then what do? I just fold it in? Oh, I have a lot of excess here. Oh, what if Blue Eyes was just a cute little slug, chat room? His tail wags if you use the wire. Look at my little slug, man. Oh yeah, is this guy still scratchy? He's a little scratchy. Holy shit. Blue Eyes got some thick thighs. Good God. Look at him! It's the Blue Eyes! Oh, he's falling over. Whoa, wait, that looks fancy. Look at that arm. It's so pokey. I forgot how tiny Blue Eyes' arms are. It's so small. He does look like just a little dinosaur. Look at him, chat room. I adore him. But okay, we have to do the wings next. Oh. 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 I don't know about this, chat room. This looks stressful. Oh God, what an endeavor. That was weird. That was really weird. That is crazy. That is wild. I kind of like that. That is a cool wing, though. That is a really cool wing. I'm obsessed with that. Fucking hell, these wings are huge. Good lord. Jesus. Look at this guy. That's so crazy. Oh my god. All right, we should do final review. So this is the Blue Eyes White Dragon Figurized Standard Amplified. This was a really fun build. I would say this probably took us 4 hours, maybe, to build completely. He's sharp. He's so much weirder than like robot model kits. So much weirder than robot model kits. But he's a lot of fun. I'm very impressed with the construction. You have wires for his neck, wires for his tail, and they actually work pretty well. And then his wings are insane. His wings are huge, and they're really cool and really unique way that they did the wings. I'm impressed with. So I give this kit high scores. It's very good, and I would very much recommend this kit. It's cool. I don't have much to say. Yeah, Kaiba would be very proud to call this his Blue Eyes White Dragon. So he's very, very cool.